Good morning, afternoon, or evening, as the case may be, in your part of the world. For those of you who don't know me, I'm ZenArcher. You notice I'm wearing a little different hat today, and yes, I've got my girly bracelet on for all to see, and it says, Imagine. You can't see it, but that's what it says. Imagine. Imagine, if you will, coming here and seeing something worthwhile. As a rule, I don't speak on politics. As a rule, I pretty much say, let's be good to one another. And that's what this video is about today. Let's be good to one another. But Zen, why does it say torture? The reason it says torture is because I'm about to do that to you. Was that torture? No, that wasn't torture. It may have taken a couple minutes of your time, and you may have just been waiting on the edge of your seat and waiting to see what happened. But that's not torture. Torture is not being allowed to sleep for 3, 4, 5 days to the point that your body starts to convulse. Torture is literally having fingernails and toenails pulled out at their roots. Torture is humiliation, degradation of the human spirit and soul, painful attacks. The President of the United States just recently signed a bill that I believe goes against one of our most founding principles to allow those who are detained to be tortured. Now, it's not that they haven't before, but at least before, if it was found out about, there were penalties. This new thing that has been signed removes those penalties for those people who engaged in what the Geneiva Convention calls war crimes, to be punished for their actions. It allows your president to interpret the Geneiva Conventions and the guidelines by them any way he wants. It means someone who is suspected of being an enemy of this country, not proven, suspected, to be detained indefinitely, incarcerated indefinitely, without legal counsel, without representation, alone, held in a secret prison for an indefinite period of time. This country has always been able to stand proud and prided itself on being pro-human rights. It's unfortunate that the man we have in office would embarrass us this way. That's my opinion. Many of you will disagree with me, and that's all right. Disagreeing with me is a basic human right. Disagreeing with me and saying your piece is a right afforded by you, by our government. And that right could be taken away just as easily with the signing of a bill by the person who leads you. Forget that your father, your sons, your brothers have fought to protect those rights. So I ask you to respond to this video. Just to know that we are not alone. Those of us who are against torture, who are for human rights, and who still believe in the principles that this country was founded upon. I don't know about you, but frankly, I'm tired of the Bush shit. And I think you should be too. Until next time, this is ZenArcher saying, you be well. For more information, please click the link